Good morning, children. Welcome back to the SST class. Continuing with the lesson case study lumbering in Canada. This is your video number 4. Today we'll discuss the topic factors favoring lumbering. Coniferous forests are characterized by the following favorable factors for lumbering. The conifers are limited in species. Lumbering is normally carried out in winter when the sap ceases to flow. The snow-covered ground makes logging and haulage easy. The logs are dragged to the rivers and float downstream to the sawmills when the rivers thaw in spring. Thaw here, children, means when the snow starts to melt. Lumbering is easy in Canada, Sweden and Norway as the rivers are not frozen for a greater part of the year. Cheap hydroelectricity for the functioning of sawmills is harnessed in mountainous uplands. Here you can see, children, how the lumberjacks, they are cutting the trees. The persons who are involved in this timber trade or who cut the trees are called as lumberjacks. Lumberjacks are woodcutters who started working for the timber trade around the time it bloomed. Lumberjacks from Canada stand as a symbol of strength and masculinity because of exhausting nature of their work and the harsh conditions they live under. Effects of lumbering on the environment. Loss of biodiversity. When these trees are cut down, species lose their habitat, food, shelter, leading to extinction of some species. Erosion. Without trees, a rainforest becomes barren and without life. Trees stop erosion as their roots hold the soil firmly. Flooding. Without trees, flooding and mudslides can occur, causing serious environmental and economic damage. Obstruction of rivers and streams. With erosion and flooding, the soil and silt often run into rivers and streams. Last, climate change. Trees store carbon. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, which means it absorbs heat. This absorption of heat leads to global warming, which results in environmental consequences. Questionnaire. Question number 1. Mention any two factors favoring lumbering. Question number 2. Who are lumberjacks? Question number 3. What are the effects of lumbering on the environment? Question number 4. Which gas is released when the trees are burned? Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay healthy.